Hello, good morning guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adelapo Michael Sunday, and in this video tutorial I will be teaching you how to build your own modern, or let me just say advanced portfolio website. Obviously I know you guys will have actually come across so many videos on YouTube about how to build your portfolio website, but in this video tutorial I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to build a modern or advanced, or let me just say professional portfolio website for your business. You can use it for any business. Let me show you. I use it for two types of business, and you're going to be seeing it here. I use it for a photography store, and I also use it for what is it called, for web designing store. So you can use it. In fact, you can even just learn how to do it and start making money from it, doing it for other people. And you might be asking, why do you need to learn how to build a portfolio website? Well, this is good. Learning portfolio website to actually increase your credibility online, because most of the time your clients want to see what you are capable of doing. So showing them your portfolio site. Oh, this is my portfolio site, can you go through it? It gives them more confidence, credibility about you. It let them know that no, you are good in what you do. So in this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you step by step, and the most funnest thing about this video tutorial is that everything I am using to build this website, I am giving it as a gift for you. So the template, the everything, I am giving it out for free. You don't need to pay anything for it. You will get a template for it. And in this new year of 18, I'm going to make sure that your web design process is more easier than before. That means all the stress you need to pass through for you to create a nice website, I will pass through it, and I will give you this template, and you will use it for free. All you just need to do is just to do what to customize. So you might be wondering, who is this guy? Well, by God's grace, I am the CEO of the best web design company in Ibadan, and that's why we search for the best web design company in Ibadan. Obviously you will see us ranking as #1 on Google front page. You see it. This is Dleading, and on Google My Business you will still see me at #1. So guys, nice having you here. Let's go. Let me show you the first site we're going to be looking at. This is the one I use for my web design stuff, and can you see it? Now this is my business name, Dleading, web design, graphics, digital marketing and SEO. So guys, let me show you. Can you see? This is an introduction about me, and you can see the template is nice, cool. This is the facial icon, and it's a mobile friendly. So let's go. So these are the work I've done. Can you see your website? People can click on it and get to see what you have done, this kind of site you have built. Can you see them? And this is just what clients you have worked with, and your experience. Okay, you have so many. This is my skills, this is my experience, stuff like that. And other skill that you do again, stuff like just to increase your credibility and just let people trust you. Can you see? This is what your clients are saying about you, and this is the contact form. And it has a whole lot of page. You can check the about us page and see. Now if you look at the about us page, it's nice. Can you see it? Can you see it? So basically this is just it. This is it. So let me show you. Actually my boss used this for a photography. I got this template from my boss. I learned this thing from my boss, and so I'm gonna pass it across to you again. So this is my boss. Can you see it? So without wasting much time, let's just go to the real work we want to do here now. So guys, the first thing we need to do when talking about building your own website, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you have your domain and hosting. And if you want to buy your domain and hosting, I make use of two hosts. You can go there, buy it. It's very cheap, it's very affordable, and in case you need more credibility about them, you can come to my DM. I will tell you more about them and how to go about it in paying a little or lower price for getting whatever thing you want to get. So once you buy your domain and hosting, the next thing is to do is to log to your cPanel and to install your WordPress. So what I'm going to do now is let me go and install my WordPress. I am not buying a domain and hosting for this thing because this is a free tutorial. What I'm doing is that I'm making use of my subdomain. So I'll just go to my WordPress. For you to install your WordPress, you need to log into your cPanel and scroll down to this aspect and click on WordPress. So when you click on WordPress, it's going to redirect you to a new page. So all you need to do is to click on install. So when I click on install, the only thing I'm going to change here is to clean this directory, clean it, make it empty, and change this one to this, and pick the subdomain you want to use. In your own case, you don't need to pick anything, you just use the default in case you're buying domain. Now the next thing I can do is that I will not bother to change anything here or here. I will not bother to change anything here, because if at all I change anything, the system will still override it. So I will just leave it empty like that. So just follow me step by step. I will click on install now. Install. So okay, yeah, I will click on install. So when I click on install, it's going to install my WordPress for me. Immediately it installed my WordPress for me. Then my work is about let me just say I'm actually 50% done. So let me log into the back end of my WordPress. So I'm going to click on this, and if you look at it now, you know that this is an empty website. So this is an empty website. Let's check the front end. So let's see what we're talking about. You see this is an empty website, right? Okay, cool. Let's go ahead. Now the first thing is that I like to make sure my dashboard is neat. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to tick, close, untick all this. Fine. So when you're done with this, the next thing to do is to do what? Is to go to your let me just go to my appearance, my plugin rather. Don't forget, initially before you want to build the website, you need to go to your appearance, install themes and the like. But don't worry, you don't need to do all those kind of things. The only thing you need to do is just to install one plugin. I'm going to go to my plugin. I'm going to click on install plugin. Now I want to delete all those plugins that come with this. I don't need them. Click on this. I'm going to click on block action. Click on delete and click on apply. So when I click on apply and click on, it's going to bring this pop-up to me. I'm going to click on OK. So it's going to automatically delete this plugin. Now I'm going to install the plugin I need. So click on add new. So when you click on add new, you need to wait for it to load and just come to this place. Search for all-in-one. All-in-one. Just search for all-in-one. So when you type all-in-one, you're going to do what? You're going to just wait. I'm going to load it up for you. Can you see all-in-one WP migration? Now what is this all-in-one WP migration? Now this all-in-one WP migration is a plugin or a software that allows you to move your website or a website from another website to another website. Now for example, let us assume I've designed this website, I am done with this website, and I wanted to move this particular website or the whole website, both the header, the customization, the everything, all the pages. I want to move it from this particular domain to this new domain. Don't forget, I need to first extract it, turn it to a template, though it is the only one WP migration that will allow me to do what? To extract it, to export it, and to also import it. So I have done that already here. So all I need to do now is to come and import it here, and I'm going to be showing you how to go about it step by step in an easy way. So I'm going to click on install now. Now when I click on install now, it's going to install. And don't forget, as everything you install on WordPress, you need to activate it. If not, they will not work. Now for each to work, you need to click on activate. So I'm going to click on activate. So immediately I click on activate, it's going to activate the plugin to me, and you're going to see something here. Can you see the plugin is now showing here? You know why? Because I have installed it and I have activated. Now the next thing you need to do is what? Is to import the what? The template, the whole website. But before we go into that, one more time, my name is Mike Ayedapo, and I am a loyal voice. I am here just because I want to add value to people around me, and that is why you see me doing all this video for free. And please, I want to beg you that the way you can reward me, and one of the way you can reward me is by clicking on the subscribe button in case you have not subscribed, or by liking the video. Please, I am begging you. If at all you feel like I don't deserve a reward, please do that for me. Like this video, subscribe to this video, share this video, and please, if you have gained value from this video, comment in the comment section that no, you have gained value from it. These are the things that encourage us to be able to go out of our way to get relevant content for you. Thank you very much, and I'm very sorry for interruption in the middle of the training. I love you all. Now let's continue. The next thing we want to do right away is to do what? Is to install the plugin, is to import the template. So when you over on this thing, you see export. Now if you want to move this particular website from here to another website, you click on export. But here now we want to bring in a website from another website to this website. We're going to click on import. So click on import. Oh sorry, my data connection. Sorry. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to refresh. So I'm going to click on here and click on import. Can you see? By the time I click on import, it will take me to this place. Now if you look at it, the file I want, okay, let me import the file and let me show you. Let me just import the file. You will see that the file will not be able to import because of one reason. Let me just use this. Can you see? Your file exceeds the maximum upload size for this site. Can you see? 32 MB. Now close. Can you see now? The maximum upload I can upload. The maximum upload I can upload to this site is what? 32 MB. And the file size I want to install is around 147 MB. So it won't be able to upload. So how do I increase the what? The file size? Now for you, if you want to, there are so many ways you can use it. You can use the unlimited of this particular version to use it, but you need to pay. The pro version of this plugin, but you need to pay. I don't do that. The second way you can do that is that you can do it manually. Now in doing it manually, there are method of doing it. So just click on this place to read. You will be able to read how to go about it. Now if you click on it, we just come here. You will see the three method they put here. You can you can do it by using that plugin. You can do it by contacting your hosting provider, and you can do it by yourself. But I don't really like contacting my hosting provider, and I don't have money to buy premium plugin. So what I will do, I will just do it manually. And it's a lie, it's not hard. Can you see? Do it yourself is hard, it's a lie, it's not hard. Just copy this code. Control C, copy it, and go to your cPanel. Just go back to your cPanel. This is the cPanel, right? Now scroll down to where you see file manager. Can you see file manager? Now go to the particular domain you want to use. The particular subdomain I want to use is video. Now this is it. If you are using a normal domain, not subdomain, you just click on this public_html. What is normal domain? Normal domain is anything that is your business name.com. Maybe my business name Dleading.com. That's my normal domain. But a subdomain is anything that is maybe Dleading. Maybe let's just say training.dleading.com. So anything that is kinikan.kinikan.com is what we call subdomain. So if it is that kind of situation, you're gonna come to that file for that subdomain. But if it is your main domain, you click on this one. So I'm gonna click on this subdomain because this is the subdomain I'm using. So I will double click on it. It will open here. You will see where they write HTTP assets. Can you see it? Right click on this and click on edit. It's gonna warn you that don't worry, just click on edit. So I will come to this place and paste the code I copy. Now when I paste the code I copy, you look at the upload maximum file. How much are you seeing here? 128, and the file size we are about to upload is 147. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to change this place from 128 to like 180, and I also change this place again. PHP value post maximum, I also change it to 180, and I click on save changes. So once I click on save changes and I come to this place, all I need to do is just to, if you look at use 32 here, right? All I need to do is just to refresh, Control R. Can you see now we are having 180 here? Fine. So let's go to import let's go and import, and click on, once you click on this import, to show, you click on file, and you just scroll down, just pick this particular, either this one or this one. This is for my business, while the second one is for the photography stuff. So just click this one. I will make sure I provided the two for you in case you want to use any one of them, fine. But the second one, the photography one, is for this, while the second one is for this, and this one I've actually edited everything, nothing to edit again. So but this one I just leave it the way my boss give it to me rather. So you just need to do what? Wait for it to reach 100%. So as we are waiting for it, let me just tell you something there. You know, this is a new year, and for you to succeed extraordinarily in your business, there's a need for you to give your life to Christ. I'm not sincere with you. Having an outstanding performance in your industry require you to depend on Christ and do it and improve in yourself. I have seen so many people who are more knowledgeable than me, who are more good than me, but who are not having the same result I am having. You know why? Because it is not about knowledge alone, it's about adding Christ, depending on Christ to help you in what you are doing. So please, I want to encourage you to give your life to Christ so that you can enjoy the best in life. Thank you very much. So that reach 100%, wait for it to give you a next instruction. So let's wait for it to give us the next instruction so that we can know what to do. Thank you very much. I'm here with you, and this is your boy Dleading. So let's wait. Now it's telling us, do not close this browser, do not, just wait for it. Just wait for it. So we're gonna wait. We have nowhere we're going to. We're gonna wait. Can you see now? It has been done. They don't tell you that, oh, there's something. No, if we click on, if this import process will override your web design, your website, including the database, media, plugin, themes, and the like. You know that when you are installing your WordPress, I told you not to bother yourself to put in your, maybe where you used to put your site name, site tagline, site description, your username, your password. You know why? Because I know very well that if you do all those, if you pass through all those trains and you put your site name, you put everything, this one will see override everything. So instead of you wasting your time, that's actually, just leave it like that. So you want to click on proceed here now. So I click on proceed now. It's gonna prepare everything. So let's wait for it to do whatever thing you want to do. So let's wait. So guys, can you see now? The site has been done perfectly. So what you need to do is that you can decide to save the site plan, but I don't do all this. Just click on finish. Can you see finish? Now you see now, if you click on any place in your site now, it will log you out. Can you see now? It has actually logged you out. So when you click on any place, just follow this procedure. Don't worry, there's nothing to fear about. Click on update my WordPress database. You know, we are bringing it another a new website with a database on its own. We are bringing it to this place now. So that is the reason why you need to update it, to change, to activate this new one on your cPanel. So I'm going to click on update. I'm going to update. I'm going to click on continue. Then it's going to ask me to relog in again. Now let me log in. Now if you want to log in to this particular store, to this particular site, the username is admin and the password is password. Everything is small letter. Don't forget, the username is admin, the password is password. You can decide to change your password later. It all depends on you. So but I'm going to go for this. Don't forget, you can know this password because this is what you will use to log in to your WordPress if you are using this template. Thank you very much. I'm going to click on login. Fine. Now let's check our site. Don't forget, let me close there. Don't forget, this is our website before, right? Now let's refresh. Can you see now? Can you see now? A website that was empty before, we have all the old template, the old everything. Wow. Can you see? That's good. Let's check the about us page. Imagine this nice about us. Wow. So can you see it? So if you are doing if you are a photographer already, you can just use it like that. Wow, this is nice. I love this. So the portfolio. Wow, this is cool. You can even link your YouTube store with it, yeah. Or your contact us page. Can you see them? Wow, that's cool. So let's go back to the home page. But the first thing we're going to do now is to come to our dashboard. I'm going to close this one. So you come to your dashboard. The first thing I'm going to go is to go to my setting. I'm going to go to my general. I'll scroll down and give it a name. I'll change this name from portfolio to, I can just call it my portfolio. And I'll come back and I'll say here is my portfolio, my business portfolio. And I'll scroll and I'll save. You can put anything you like there. I click on save changes. I'll check the permalink. But I believe the permalink should have been in the right place. I'll click on the permalink to check it. Yeah, there is the normal place. Fine. Now, the next thing we need to do is just to come to the back end. If you want to add any page to it, maybe there are some pages here that you still want to add more. This is home, this is about, this is portfolio, this is a contact. If you still want to add more page, you can add it, but I don't think you need more than this page, this 4 page. Now, how do you do? If you want to edit your website, I won't really be bothering myself in editing this thing, because I believe like you should know how to edit your website by yourself. In case you don't know how to edit your website, you can check in my video on my YouTube channel. You see a whole lot of video I've done on how to edit a website. Just come here, come to my playlist. And do what? I come to my web design tutorial. You will see a whole lot on how to edit a website. So I'll just show you some couple of things you need to do. And please, if you have not watched this my new video, I just did a video. The video is just, can you see, this is my new video rather, 5 hours ago, how to create a professional school website. Please kindly watch it. It's very, very important. So it will help you. And I built this thing from scratch. So now let's go back. So this is our portfolio site. All you could do now right away is just to click on edit with Elementor. Let me just show you some couple of things, and just come here. So let's wait for it to load. So the first thing is that you need to close out of this. What I used to do to close out of it naturally is to reduce my screen stuff. Let me just reduce it. Let me reduce it to 80. So fine. I can click on this or click on continue, anyone. So let me click on this. So when I click on this is our section. I don't really like using this thing except once in a while, so I'll take away this. Now one thing I want you to notice very well in this place is, first let me show you something. This is where you can put in your name. Let me just come here and put in my name. Let me just say Michael, let's see here. But instead of you using your name, don't use your name, use your business name. So I will just put my business name, Dleading. So in case your business name is Ayola Fashion Hub, you don't need to write all the full business name. I just write Ayola. Ayola is actually a friend of mine in school. So you can use another thing. Now after you write the brand name, this is the brand name, this is what you do. This is your business name. Now you will come here. What do you do as a business? In this business, you say, okay, I said I'm Dleading. So what do? I'm a web designer, so I'm going to come here. It's not, I will not be editing all the templates for you. I just want to show you I'm a web designer. I'll just come here and type web designer. Aside that, what else do I do again? I'm a SEO expert. SEO expert. And what else do I do again? I'll just say, okay, I'm a web maintenance, or let me just say I'm a social media promoter or digital marketer. Digital marketer. Now fine, these are what I do now. So anyone that comes to my website naturally should be able to see, oh, this is what this guy do. If you want to look at the mobile version of this, everything is mobile responsive rather. So can you see it? This is what you do, and you can check them out. They are mobile responsive. Can you see them? You don't need to worry on anything. You don't need to worry. So any template you get from me, they are correct and advanced one. Now after that, this is that's an image gallery that talk about that show a picture of you where you're working. So what you could do is that you can just get a professional picture, just put them. But before you do this, I used to advise my students, see, when you are doing something, make it professional. How do you make this professional? Now this is just a background image. Now but there's a particular size for all this image. You can't just use any out size. If you look at this size now, before you do anything, just you can right click on this, right click on it and click on edit container. So when you click on edit container, it's going to take you to this place. Click on style, and these are the image. Now click on this image, edit. You can click on them. If you click on them, you see their size there, 1006 by 2560. In case you have a picture, just come here, go to canvas.com. That is how I used to do. I must be sincere with you. So I'll go to canvas.com. I'll click on custom size, and I'll put the size 1706 by 2560. Let me check, maybe I'm correct, so I won't be saying rubbish. 2560. Cool. 2050, and I'll click on create new design. Can you see now? This is template, and you will come here and just click on upload. Upload your image. These are the image I use on my site. Upload them to fit in for this site. So I'm going to drag this one. Just drag it. Can you see it? And rename it Dleading. Oh, never, don't take that light. Now once I click on the once I save it, all I need to do is just to come here and click on download. Click on download, and it's going to show for me. I'm going to click on download again. So when I click on download, the next thing I need to do it has actually been downloaded for me. This is the image. Can you see deleting? And I can come here and upload it and click on add new and just drag this image to this place. And wait for it to load. Just wait for it to load. So I'll be waiting for it to load. I guess it's my network, I don't know. I'll just wait. Now that's show forward. So I'm going to click on add new gallery. Now this is it. I can just decide to bring it here, but make sure you delete all this one. You just need to put in your own. This one, if you want to delete them, just click on this. You will see them taken away. Can you see? I can decide to take away this. If I'm in photography, this is photographer's choice. You can just use this too. And if you see it now, can you see it now? So these are the two things that will just be showing. So I hope you are following. So the next thing, you can come to the next section. Okay, for me, I don't like putting anything here. I'll just come here, I'll change my name. I can just put it like this and it's okay. I want to do it like this. Can you see it now? And then I don't like putting this stuff here. I will delete this one. If you want to delete it, just right click on it and click on delete. So once you click on delete, then you will come here. You can just say, okay, you are a graphic designer, you are a web developer with anything. Now if you write this thing, maybe you just need to put something there. I'll just come to my what's it called, my ChatGPT, and I'll come here. I'll just say, I am Adedapo Mike, and I'm a professional web designer with 4 years experience. 4 years experience. Full stop. Please help me to write a short profile, short about me, short information about me. That I can put on my website and make it captivating. Enter. So it will write it for me. Can you see now? So all I need to do is that instead of me putting this hello, I'll just copy it from here to here. Ctrl C, and I will come back to this place and I will paste it here. I will delete this one and I will paste this one, and I will take away this. I will delete this one. I will link this one to my contact us page, or I can link it to my phone number. So if I want to link it to my WhatsApp, I will change that contact me to chat me up. So you can change it to anything. If you want to link it to contact me, maybe you want them to contact you, just put contact here. Can you see now? If you type contact, it's going to bring out this for you. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have linked it up. You can link your social media here. If you want to link your social media, just come here, come to this place, put in your link here. I'm going to copy your social media link, put it here for LinkedIn. So let me just do one for you. Let me just copy my Facebook. Let me just say Facebook. Enter. So let me just copy my account. If I want to copy my account profile, I will click on my stuff here, and I will just copy this, Ctrl C, and I will come back to this place, and and I'll go to this is a LinkedIn. I'll just go to this place. I'll change this one to Facebook. If you want to change this, just click on that image and type Facebook here. I'll click on this and I'll click on insert and I'll delete the hashtag. Hashtag is nothing, so I'll paste this one there. So if you look at it now, yeah, you see that something is popping up here. Once I over on this, that's my link. Fine. So don't forget, anything you are doing, you must update. If you have anything you still want to say, you can write it here. If you don't have anything, you can delete the whole section, but most time I like to always put something here, so I will delete this one. I will come to ChatGPT again and I will say it, write something that show that I am the best web designer, and please make it short and don't mention my name, and don't mention my name. I don't need my name to be mentioned here again. So I'll just come here. If you don't like it, you can delete it. You know, after people hear about you, the next thing is to give them a call to action. So I will come here and I'll click on this place. Immediately you click on this place, it's gonna open up for you here. So I'll just paste my stuff here. If you like, you can put your picture here. I'm not sure I have my picture here. Do I have? Let me check. I can just come here, put in my picture, or you can leave it like that, because this is what talk about where you're working. But if you have a professional picture whereby it show about maybe you and your laptop, you can put it there, but I'm not sure I have it here. But let me just do something. Let me just see, maybe let me just put this for you. It's just for training sake, not for any other thing sake. So I'll just leave it like this. I'll scroll down again. This is where you can talk about your service. Now what you can do here is that you can here. Now let me teach you one particular style I used to do here. Now I have a screenshot of the whole site I have done. Now let me show you what I mean. Let me show you. This one is a football website. Let me show you the screenshot of the site. And if you want to learn how to take a screenshot of a whole complete website from head to toe, I will show you, so you don't have to worry about anything. So let's just wait for it to load. Now guys, if you look at it, this is the football website. This is from the home page. This is the whole section. Can you see it from the header? Let me make it bigger so that you can see it. You can see what I'm talking about. Now let me just give it. So can you see? Oh man, this is too big. Now can you see it now? This is your website. This is your site, the home page. Can you see the header? So you can see it. So well, now if you want, you know what I do is I just take a whole screenshot of this. So if you want to do that, it's very simple. Just come here, come to my YouTube channel. I have a video on that. I think that was the my video. Come to this video. I think that is the second video I put. That is the second to the last video I post. Yeah, this is it. Easy way to screenshot. Easy way to screenshot a full page website. It was uploaded 3 days ago, so you can watch them. So you will be able to, you know, took them here. So I'm gonna do now is that I will come here. When I come here, I will leave this like this. I can just put from 2019. You can just put any year here, or the year that relate to the particular time you do the work. So let me just say I can just say 2022 to 2023. Now what I'm going to do is I will first come and change this image. Now I will need to even change this one to white. But before I change this one to white, I will come here to change this image. How do I change this image? I will right click on this place. Can you see? If you don't right click on this place, don't, because this, if you click on this place, it will show you the wordings. If you click on this place, it will show you the word. Just come outside of these two places. So I will click on right click I'll click on edit container. This is the image. Come to style. This is the image. I'm going to click on this place, and I will upload my file. So I will come here and come and upload the screenshot I have. I can just bring out this thing. I will just upload it. So when I bring this in, I'll wait for it to load and then continue my work. So let's just wait for it to load, please. And it has been loaded. I will just click on select. Now if you look at this select, it's not really showing it from the top, it's showing it from center. Make sure you change everything from the top. Change it to top center, click on it. Now good. If you look at it and you see that these wordings here, you're not seeing them, it's not really encouraging. So what I'm going to do now is that I will click on this background. I'll come to background overlay. Can you see it? Just give it a background overlay. Here, click on it. I come to here, click on classic, and give it, come to this place, click on it. I'm just going to drag this to this place. Good. So when I drag this to this place, I'm going to out of it. Can you see that you can't see this one? Fine, I know what I'm doing. Click on this place now and change this place to white, pure white. It will allow the word to sit down. Come to this place, and I will change this place to, I can just call it, okay, this project is an advanced football website. Advanced football website. And if you want to learn how to build this advanced football website, the video is on my YouTube channel. You can check it out from scratch. So once I click on this, I will come to this style here. I will change the color from black to white. Can you see now? If you look at it, this thing sit down on this thing very well. Now you can, it allows us to be able to see it. Now I like this now. So this is how you're going to do it for everything. This is how you're going to do it for everything. Or better see, if your wordings, for example, if all the template of your site look like this one, I can decide to delete this. Now if you look at it now, I will now go ahead, like I will go back to this image, edit container, and I will remove the what? I will remove the background overlay. I will click on it and I will clear it. Can you see now? Now anybody that is coming to this place know already that this is a football website, right? But you know, in most time, not every site you design will have something like this. That is why you can put the year and the name of the particular project, so that if I thought they are not having something like this, they know that okay, this is a particular site. So hope you understand like that. So the same thing, this is how you do the same thing for this guy also. You come here, let me just check this one. I will delete this one. Delete. Come here, delete this guy, click on this guy, right click and click on edit container. I'll come to style, I'll click on this, I will upload another one again. I think I have this one is, I'll drag this, okay, let me use this shush. This is the shush one. I'll drag it here. I'll wait for it to load. I hope you see now you can edit it. So if you have so many projects, all you need to do is just to put on all, if you want to put all your project here, all you just need to do is just to put it there. That's all. So I'll click on select. Can you see? But I don't like the way this one is coming from. I'll come here again, change it from top center. Can you see now? Fine. So I will leave it like that. So the same way you will do for all this thing. And if you have more than 4, you can come here. Maybe you have like 10 portfolios, 10 work you want to display on this site. What you could do is that I will just allow you to click on this place, because what we have here is just 4. So and you want to put in 10, you just click on this place and click on and right click and click on duplicate. When you click on duplicate, you see it here. Can you see? This is it. but I will delete it. Obviously I don't need this, so fine. Next thing is to come here, client you have worked with. You can come here and put in some certain things. I think I write something here. Let me see what I write there in my own section here. Client I've worked with. I'll just copy all this thing. Ctrl C. You just come here, paste it here. Ctrl A, delete and paste. Can you see it now? So if you want to, make it to be more center, if you look at this now, you still want it to be more center, but I think it's okay like this. Yeah. So all these things, they are brand logo, brand image. So you can go and copy the logo of those people you have worked with. Just copy them, put it there. But make sure that now, one thing you should notice that if you look at all this logo, they are in the same side. Please, I always like telling you to make use of something that are the same side. If you look at, click on this now. If you click on, you see 378 by 219. Please make sure all the logo are of this size. And I've told you, if you want to resize them, come to this place, come to your canvas and do the normal stuff. So good. I will just leave all this one as a default. So I'll put your logo here. You come here, either you talk about, okay, my experience, I have experience as a videographer, as a clinical. You put everything here. If you don't know what to put here and you're a web designer, you can come here, come to this site, mycare@sui.org. You will see this particular site link, so you can use my content, my write-up. Like I said, can you see it? I'm a web designer. I work as a web designer in so company. This is it. And I said that was 2021, and when I get some time, I feel like, okay, let me start my own. So this is, I made a mistake. I should have changed this name to Dleading.com. So just put something there. Hope you understand like that. So that is how to go about it. Like if you notice in my own I just used two. Yeah, okay. If you have more than 2, 3, if you have more than 5 places you have work, all you just need to do is just to come here, click on duplicate. Can you see them again? So just keep duplicating and writing whatever you want to write there. That's it. I'm going to close out of this. More skill. If you have another skill again, maybe you do this. You can come here, put it here. Come here, put it here. And maybe you only have just 2 skill more. You don't want all this one. You don't have another skill again. You can come here and delete them. How do you delete them? You click on this place. They are gone. And if you want to restore them back, click on Ctrl Z, and they are back again. So you bring them back again. That is basically how to do that. What your client say, just come here. I think I have some, just write something here. I think, no, I deleted this in my own. Yeah, like I said, as an aspect I don't like showing all this kind of thing. I'll just come here, delete it, and you can put any image, put someone image. If you want to put image here, look at the size also again, please. This is what will make your work professional. Can you see the size? 336 by 336. So it will give you a rounded shape stuff. So once you have it, upload the image, and put in your name, do the needful, put in the write-up here, put the name of the person here. This is what we called, this is the write-up and this is the heading. And you just put it here. That's all. And you scroll down again, and you can put in your form here. This is form. If you don't, this form. Now let me show you something. When they fill this form, come to your dashboard to make sure that the form will be set. Okay, let me first save this. Click on update. So come to this place, refresh to see what you have done. Now, okay, it has been refreshed now. So this is it now. Fine. Now let me just go back to this place. Come to your form, click on all form, and scroll down. Check the edit section and just wait for it to load. What do you want to come and do? You want to come and check. Maybe you want to come to the setting. Come to setting here. Look at it. Come to notification. Exactly, this is what in case you don't see this thing in your own, just type your email here. Now this admin email now is that for any form they fill on this particular site, we go directly to the email you use when you are importing your WordPress. That is it. It's okay, that's how we want it. I'm just showing you. So fine, what else? Now let me show you, in case some of you might want your logo, but me, I don't see reason for you to use logo again. But in case you want to use logo, just come to your customize there, click and open it in a new tab. So once you come to this place, just wait for it to load and just come to your header. So this is where you can just come here. Can you see it? Now if you want to put your logo, you can decide to move this one to this place. Can you see it has been moved to this place? And while your logo will be here, site title and logo, can you see it? You will see it, and then you can come here and come and edit your site title, put in your logo and stuff like that. But believe me, I don't see need for that. Instead of you putting your logo here, you can come and put it at this place. You can put your logo at this place, and if you want to do that, come here, come to this advanced and drag it as your image. You can put it at the center here, put the stuff here. But don't worry, when you put the logo here, it will be reduced. For me, I don't even like it. Already, since people know my name, I just want that alone. My name is what matter, my brand name is what matter. But in case you want it, anyhow you want it, you have the right. It's your site is, just do it anyhow and play around with it. So far you like it, who am I to say no? So I'm just showing you, but obviously, okay, it should be here, Gary. Now, here should be, but even though me I don't like it, so I will just do what? I will delete this one, but I don't want my site to have a logo, and I will move this summary menu to the middle here, and I will delete this one. So I'll show you how you can upload your stuff. So, and I click on, and if you want to do your footer, yeah, there's another place again called footer. Just scroll down here, this place. So click on this pencil icon. Now all these things, the official icon, just click on it. When you click on it, can you see you can decide to do what? If you want to add any social icon, I mean I don't like, I will delete this one. I don't want this one. I don't want this one. I can just go along with this theory, and I'll click on it, put in my link here. Okay, I'll delete it. I'll just come here again, copy my link, Ctrl C, come back to this place, paste my link here, Ctrl V, and click on publish. And that's how you do for all the remaining stuff. And if you need more than just this theory, you can come here, come and select which one do you want. You can select do you want phone number, do you want Telegram, do you want Facebook, Google review, as many as you want. Do you want WhatsApp? Let me just click on this WhatsApp, and I will come here, I'll click on add social icon. So this is WhatsApp now. Can you see, if you look at it now, it will be added to it very soon. Just wait. Can you see it has been added to it? And I will come here, click on it, and let me just scroll down so that I can see what I'm doing. And I'll put in my URL link here, my WhatsApp URL link. That is all. So now click on publish. So I am done. Now this place, if I want to change it to my name, I can put in my name here. But I just feel like, okay, this is it. Or better still, you can just go and change it to your name portfolio. Like my name is Michael now, I can just say Michael portfolio, or I did that for Michael portfolio, or Michael. But I think my portfolio is okay. So the people who are sending it to know that, okay, this is this guy portfolio. And from here they can now see your name and everything here. So I think that is okay. So basically that is how you are going to, that's how you can edit this template. So I'm going to be quitting out of this, and let me just see. Okay, let me refresh, and if I refresh, you will see the WhatsApp has been there. If I click on this place now, it should take me to my Facebook. Can you see this is my Facebook account? So this is basically my Facebook stuff. Now, so guys, I think I'll be able to teach you how you can make yourself this template. So once you are done, we come here. If you want to edit the about us page again, you come to about, and you do the same thing. You click on edit with Elementor, and that is how you're going to do for every section. So guys, I think you really enjoy this thing. So I decided to go through all this stress to get this template from my boss, to learn it, to give it to you also, so that you can use it, so that you won't need to go through the stress that my boss go through or that I go through to get this done for you. So all you need to do is just to install them and make use of it. And if you're wondering what template is this, actually it's a free template, it's an abstract template, but it doesn't come like this. My boss work on it, and confirm, change the configuration and do the normal setting, do another some design with it. And when I see it, I like it, I work on it also. And that is why I'm giving it out for you as the New Year gift. I want to give it to you because I love you. So, and this is a little token I can give to you for you being a loyal follower to our channel. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you, and I pray that this new year the Lord will make you to become great in the name of Jesus Christ. In this your web design business, the Lord will expand you, and if you are just a business owner in whatsoever business you are doing, the Lord will establish you and provide for you. And I pray that every challenges you might be experiencing, God will settle you and take away all those challenges out of your life in the name of Jesus Christ. One more time, my name is Michael Adidapo, and I am the CEO of Dleading Web Design, and and here is our YouTube channel called Dleading Web Design Training. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on all our social media, on our Twitter, on our Instagram, on every social media, and try to follow us. And if there's anything you did not understand about this thing, feel free to reach out to me. How can you reach out to me? My phone number is 09035382271. You can reach out to me to 09035382271. So I really appreciate your effort, and I pray God Almighty will continue to be with you. Bye. Have a wonderful day ahead of you. Love you.